In 2016, my first child was born, and as a new parent, I was extremely concerned about the quality of air that would enter his lungs. And since then, I've been a staunch advocate on the issue of air pollution. Now, here in Delhi, we think that air pollution is only a Delhi-centric issue, but that's false. Air pollution is a problem that exists across India, and it doesn't only affect us in the winter, but it affects us the whole year round. I'm glad that today air pollution is being talked about right from Mumbai to Chennai and from Chennai to Guwahati. But one source of air pollution that is not being talked about is that of dust. And that is something that we are seeing across all cities. The main reason for this dust comes from the construction activities that is happening. There's just so much unplanned construction, and we are not settling the dust as we need to be. And this dust comprises of silica, steel dust, aluminium dust, all different forms of carbon and noxious chemicals which go into our lungs. And if you would see, construction workers are at the highest risk of suffering from air pollution. Some of the solutions are simple. It involves green netting, regular water spraying, covering of the construction material in transport trucks, as well as erecting wind barriers. Something that is being done in Delhi but needs to be expanded to across India is also the recycling of construction waste and debris. But more than that, in my understanding, given India's topography, we need more research on managing the problem of construction dust. Why I emphasize on construction dust in this video is because far more attention is given to air pollution due to vehicle emissions or industry emissions or burning of municipal waste. The construction sector is not being looked as closely as it needs to be. And if you were to ask me whether it's Mumbai or Guwahati, these two cities show that construction dust can be a huge contributor to air pollution. Now, as India is rapidly urbanizing, there is simply going to be a lot more construction. Roads, highways, flyovers, apartments, airports. So if we want to mitigate the problem of construction dust, the private sector really needs to step in.